So, I am Crischan G, Larita.
Keann F, Jumalon.
Errol, Jade, Carcedo.
Kirk, Zyke, Gentiles.
Alfred S, Simbajon.
Edrian A, Abilay.
BSCA, second year.
Second year.
Second year student.
Today I want to take you on a journey into the fascinating world of robotics. As we delve into the creation of an innovative line-following robot, prepare to be amazed. Imagine a world where machines can navigate their environment with precision, just like humans do. That's precisely what our project aims to achieve. A line-following robot using advanced technology and clever programming. Let's dive into the exciting details.
So, have you ever wondered how autonomous vehicles find their way on the roads? Well, the concept is similar. Our goal was to build a robot capable of following a predefined path, a line using a combination of sensors, motor control, and the power of Arduino. So let's discuss the key components that bring our line-following robot to life. We utilize a 5-channel IR sensor module to detect the line on the ground. This sensor module provides us with valuable feedback on the robot's position relative to the line.
Here, you can see a robot equipped with these infrared sensors, strategically placed to ensure accurate line detection. These sensors emit infrared light, and based on the track that we created, the robot can identify line's position. Now, how do we translate the sensor's reading into precise movement? That's where the L298 motor driver and Arduino come into play. The L298 motor driver acts as the intermediary between the Arduino and the motors, enabling us to control the robot's motion.
Look at the power of L298 motor driver with its ability to control motor speed and direction. We precisely maneuver our line-following robot along the desired path. Of course, no robot is complete without intelligent algorithm. We implemented a simple yet effective proportional control algorithm. This algorithm adjusts the motor speed based on the distance from the line, allowing our robot to make course correction and stay on track.
Imagine the robot encounters slight deviation from the line. Thanks to a proportional control algorithm, the motor's response accordingly, applying the more power to appropriate side, thereby bringing the robot back on the track. Through countless iterations, debugging, and fine-tuning, we witness our line-following robot evolve. It can now excellently trace intricate lines with a minimal deviation and remarkable speed.
Ladies and gentlemen, our line-following robot project shows the amazing things that happens when we combine hardware, sensors, and smart algorithms. It's like creating a robot that can follow lines with incredible accuracy, just like a human would. So let's get excited about this new era of robotics and automation. We are entering a time where our creations can effortlessly interact with and move around in the world. Together, we can create a future where machines and humans team up to achieve incredible things. It's all about working hand in hand to accomplish extraordinary feats. Thank you, and let's shape a world where innovation knows no bounds.
Thank you, sir.